Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai Sonata and you're trying to find guys where the fuse for the intake and exhaust oil control valve solenoid is located. What is the oil control valve? It actually guys is part of the variable timing solenoid system. What it does, actually the oil control valves, also solenoids, they're actually setting the timing on your car, so it can move the intake or the exhaust camshafts guys, so it can adjust the timing, and it makes the car more efficient, it makes the car more powerful, and it pollutes less guys. So where that fuse is located, stay with us. We'll show you on Hyundai Sonata, that generation from year 2009 to year 2015. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. It's called How to Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. So, if you look at it that way guys, you come right here. So this is guys your fuse box. You have one tab here, one there, squeeze, pull straight up, perfect, and you open it like that. Now, let me show you quick where the variable timing solenoids are located, the oil control valves. So, if you have problems with the intake one, it's right here. And we'll have a video how to clean, replace those guys, how to test them as well. Also, you have another one which is for the exhaust side, and it's located over there, a little bit less visible, but you get the idea. This is it guys, right there. So this is responsible for actually adjusting the timing on your car. Very important components. If you don't change your oil on time, it can actually affect those as well. And if you have a bad solenoid, it can actually burn your fuse as well. So if you replace the solenoid and you still have problems, always check that fuse. So looking at it this way guys, on the fuse box, the layout here corresponds to what we have specifically here. And check it out now. Right here, this one that's known as sensor 2, 15 amp fuse. You come right here, you count fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This fuse right here, we need to go ahead and pull it out with the fuse puller and check it out. Now, never assume a fuse is good if the element seems fine guys, because sometimes you cannot see if it's burned. Always test that. It takes practically only a few seconds to test the fuse, and we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. Another thing guys, if you need cheap replacement fuses, we'll share the link where you can get a whole box for a really good price in the description of the video below. And if you need replacement fuses, spare fuses on the go, you have a few in the fuse box that you can use as well. And when you're ready, just go ahead, and push it in. Perfect. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. If you have any questions or recommendations, let us know, and see you next time.